Hey there, home cooks! Today I'm going to show you how to master the art of making Kotlet Schabowy. That's Polish breaded pork cutlets. This is a classic recipe that'll bring a taste of Poland right to your kitchen. Ready to get started? Let's dive in! First things first, grab 4 boneless pork chops. Place each one between 2 sheets of plastic wrap or parchment paper and give them a good pounding with a meat mallet until they're about a 1/4 inch thick. Don't hold back, this is the fun part. Now, season both sides with salt and black pepper. Next, it's time to set up your breading station. You'll need 3 shallow dishes, one with half a cup of all-purpose flour, one with 2 beaten eggs, and the last with 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Plain or panko, your choice. Now let's bread these bad boys. Coat each cutlet in flour first, shaking off the excess. Then dip it in the beaten eggs, making sure it's evenly coated. Finally, press it into the breadcrumbs, covering it completely and pressing gently to make sure those crumbs stick. Time to fry. Heat 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium heat. For that traditional flavor, you can use lard. Add a bit of butter if you want extra richness. Fry each cutlet for 3-4 minutes per side until they're golden brown and crispy. Transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. And there you have it, Kotlet Schabowy. Serve these delicious cutlets with a side of creamy mashed potatoes and some braised cabbage or fresh coleslaw. For extra crispiness, go for panko breadcrumbs or double dip in egg and breadcrumbs. And if you want that authentic Polish flavor, mix vegetable oil with a bit of lard for frying. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.